This is what we're working on today. Honda Accord. I think this is a 08. They just installed some coilovers on this. This looks like the, how do you say it? The Tine? TN? I don't know. But we're rolling these fenders today. Justin just asked me to stop by and roll them. I don't do this for a living or nothing like that. I just happen to have a roller from like 6 years ago. So it's like my first time doing this in a while. But we basically got that side done. The fronts don't need to be done. This is exactly the same setup as it was on my Mazda. There's like this L shape. Hold on, you can't even see. Okay, I'll show you right here. This 90-degree angle goes up and around the rear fender. I'm not gonna roll like all the way into here. Probably just do like, it looks like, oh nah. So I'll just do like up until maybe here, because he's on stock wheels. So I was like, yeah, I can just try to roll him. This is literally the exact same as my Mazda. Again, from like 6 years ago. So I've literally used that roller like one time. And he's like, hey, you know how to roll fenders, come stop by. And I'm like, all right, whatever. And these have this like little panel right here, but I don't know. But it was actually an interesting setup. I mean, these quick jacks, side note, I absolutely need these quick jacks because they lifted this car in like 10 seconds. It was crazy. If I can get this for the Corvette, these are like $1,500. I'm set. But they had like a full kit for this, like a full body kit kind of thing. Like a rear bumper diffuser kind of thing, or side skirts right here. The fitment was awful, so they'll have to return these for his customer or client or whatever, and he'll have to sort that out with them. But overall, like, these are pretty nice. Like a little, look at this. Look at this interior. Solid. I don't want to touch the seats. My hands are kind of dirty, but solid. A carbon steering wheel, a carbon dash, like carbon everywhere. That looks like a aftermarket screen, but I'm not sure. This is an 08, I think, so it probably is aftermarket. I like this like old style seating. I've been really into old seats because they just don't make seats the same anymore. They're usually all just black, or you might get some red ones, but there's no like character. I don't know. But nice interior. Was not expecting that. Close that. They are wrapping the hood with this crazy carbon fiber wrap. This looks like actual carbon fiber. It's wild. The camera doesn't really pick it up too well, but absolutely wild. Oh, I'm tripping on some stuff. If you look at it from like right here, that looks like a shiny carbon fiber. It's crazy. And they got the old suspension here. I know some of y'all drive Hondas, so I figured y'all would like this. So I'm just rolling fenders. It's actually crazy. But yeah, this is like the 08 sedan. I think these come with a V6. I'm not sure. And nice little engine bay. Very roomy. You can easily work on that. I forget what they were doing. They were like adjusting the preload to this, and they wanted to install the kit, but the fitment was just atrocious, so not gonna work out. I tried to tell them to like add some heat to the diffuser that they were gonna add on, but it just was not working out. So yeah, he'll have to sort that out with whoever the vendor is. Also, I need to show y'all this. I want one of these so bad now. Check this shit out, bro. Literally, I went to open this, and I immediately was like, yo, why is this big ass pillar here? So I'm like, okay, let me try to get in. Mistakenly, I go foot first. Impossible to get in. So you have to go butt first. Oh, this thing is super low. Feet off the ground. 1 foot in. Another foot in. And boom, you're in a Lotus Elise. I love this car. Let's close the door for the full XP. Look at this manual. Oh my God, this is amazing. I want one of these so bad. I think the seats are fixed. I think. No, that feels like a little adjustable thing down there. But this is amazing. Look at the little tiny little. Here's my hand for reference. Tiny little mirror. This thing is amazing. I want one of these so bad. And I think Justin said these are like 50,000 or something like that. Not bad. I would get this over an M3, to be honest. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. And then the push to start is over here. You got the little radio with the speakers up here. This thing is freaking sick, bro. The steering wheel is tiny. You got one windshield wiper to go through this whole windshield. It's crazy. Dude, I want one of these so bad. I'm gonna have to look into it. Like, this might be my next car. I'm not even gonna joke. Can just imagine just driving and then we're just shifting first, second, third. Oh my God, dude. I need one of these. Now, the crazy part is getting out. You know what? I actually don't know how to open this door. This looks like window. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I love this car, bro. I love this car. There's like a little Alcantara right there. A little Alcantara leather. Dude, this is so nice. I want one of these so bad. I have to get out. Those are not my scuff marks. First foot out. Second foot out. Put your feet on the floor. Butt on this. And we're out of here. So close that. I need this car so bad. Need. Bro, look. I need this. And I actually didn't know that these were mid-engine. So the engine's back here. Is this open? Let's see. Is this hydraulic? It is not. So how do we, we'll just hold it. But I do believe that it is a Toyota engine, so this thing is clean, bro. Very exotic. I'm gonna look these up. I need to get one of these. Okay, I'm gonna, I think I'm done with this. Okay, I'll be back tomorrow. All right, I'm probably just gonna finish this side. Get off of there, ant. I'm just gonna finish this side today and then come back tomorrow, finish the other side because I haven't done this in 6 years. Call that done for today because I have stuff to do and I do not work here, so. Bruh. And today we are doing the other side. I'm knocking this one out pretty quick. I mean, we are basically pretty much rolled. We just gotta get it flat to the fender and we should be good to go. This will probably take like, I don't know, 30 minutes. We are just about in the home stretch and it's feeling good. You know, I actually don't know if I need to go this far down. Damn, burning up the floor. We can call that a rolled fender. You're looking good, nice and flat. I think I'm gonna do this a little bit more. Just maybe to about like right here. Just kind of even this out a little bit and we should be good. Just gotta add a little bit of heat. I know y'all can't see it, but we are good to go. The lights are way too bright in here, but you can see this is flat. It was a 90-degree angle, but we're good now. Good job. This is fire. And it's manual, a GT3. Getting, I think he said a front PPF. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Look at this color, bro. Damn. I don't know much about Porsches, but me and him are learning, so. The only ones I can identify is the 3RS and I think the 4RS, but they all look the same to me. I'm not really a Porsche guy, but I can appreciate them. Very clean.